royal princess enter.
Okay.
You is princess.
Thank you.
Welcome to our castle.
Oh my god! Bye-bye!
Let's me check.
Oh no, my face! What happened? Oh no!
You are not a princess.
Let's go! Hey! Elsa.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance.
No! Let's go! Oh! Oh no! Oh! 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 Ow! Ah! Okay. Yes. Yay! Yes. Oh no! Ow! Ow! Yes. Good job. Let's go.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. But I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams. And now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch?
Yes.
What if I'll never get it right? I try to
me, please. Help Ariel.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's a dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always play all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure. I can't believe that you came into my life. You made
Ladybug.
me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. Just spin
like
for
it.
me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules,
Moana.
on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken shy, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly
Rapunzel.
sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better. Every day